WatchTower still burning tonight. Flames of warning, flames of truth. Rastafari watch over creation. Dark clouds gather over the plain, lightning flash on every rain. Me see a tower high and tall, standing firm above it all. Holy fire blaze through the night, casting far a golden light. Watchman standing brave and wise, seeing through Babylon disguise. Me hear the trumpet from afar, burning brighter than morning star, calling weary souls away before the wicked kingdoms break. The burning watchtower blaze tonight, guide the righteous toward the light. Though the wicked fight endlessly, truth shall reign eternally. The burning watchtower stands so deep, ancient watchmen never sleep. Lion of Judah lead the way, guide the faithful every day. My granny tell me years ago,
when the holy fires glow,
listen close and seek Jah voice, and let righteousness your choice. So me meditate beside the flame, calling softly Jah holy name. Nyabinghi drums beat deep and low, like sacred rivers overflow. We see many trapped by greed and fame,